Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful unicorn. Wow! Let's start drawing. I start with a cute eye. The shape of her head. I drew her nose, her mouth, and her ear. Now I drew her unicorn horn. Then I drew her beautiful enchanting mane. I drew her body with her 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I drew her tail. Now I drew her fantastic wings. Finally, let's scatter some love with tiny hearts all around. Beautiful! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use pink for her skin. I use green, light pink. Now let's color the unicorn red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, and fuchsia. Again, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, and fuchsia, red, yellow, and green. Now let's color the wings with 3 shades of blue. And finally, let's color the hearts. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, and fuchsia, and blue. I love it! Wow! Raffy the dinosaur meets you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!